Building your own cabinets can be a really rewarding experience, but it can also feel a little intimidating, especially if you're new to woodworking. That's where the drill and nail method comes in. This technique simplifies cabinet assembly, making it perfect for DIYers of all skill levels. Traditional cabinet making often involves complex joinery methods that require specialized tools and years of practice. The beauty of the drill and nail method is its simplicity and accessibility. You don't need to be a master craftsperson to achieve fantastic results. One common issue in cabinet assembly is ending up with misaligned panels. This can happen with more complicated joinery methods. But with the drill and nail technique, you can easily adjust and reposition your panels during assembly. No more stressing over tiny imperfections. Another frustration is wood splitting when you're driving in screws. Pre-drilling pilot holes, a core principle of the drill and nail method, practically eliminates this problem. Say goodbye to those frustrating cracks and splits. Before you embark on your cabinet-making adventure, let's gather the essential tools and materials. Don't worry, you won't need a workshop full of expensive equipment. This method is all about keeping things simple and budget-friendly. Tools: power drill, your trusty sidekick for drilling pilot holes and driving screws. Drill bits, a set of drill bits to match the size of your screws and create pilot holes. Hammer, for those satisfying whacks when driving in nails. Tape measure, precision is key in woodworking. A tape measure ensures accurate cuts in assembly. Pencil, mark your drilling points and cutting lines. Safety glasses, protect your eyes from flying wood chips. Materials: cabinet-grade plywood, choose a durable plywood that can withstand the demands of cabinetry. Wood glue, provides extra strength and stability to your joints. Finishing nails, opt for small diameter nails that won't detract from the cabinet's appearance. Wood filler, for filling in any minor imperfections and creating a smooth finish. Cabinet joinery often sounds more complicated than it actually is. In the realm of drill and nail, we'll primarily focus on butt joints. They're incredibly straightforward, yet remarkably strong when reinforced with glue and nails. Butt joints. Imagine holding two pieces of wood together at a 90-degree angle. That's a butt joint. One piece butts up directly against the other. It's a simple concept that forms the foundation of our cabinet assembly. Why butt joints rock beginner-friendly. Butt joints are incredibly easy to understand and execute, making them ideal for woodworking newbies. Strong and sturdy. When secured with glue and nails, butt joints provide ample strength for cabinet construction. Forgiving. Making slight adjustments during assembly is a breeze with butt joints, ensuring your cabinets come together perfectly. Now for the exciting part, bringing your cabinets to life. Follow these simple steps and you'll be amazed at what you can accomplish. Step 1. Measure twice, cut once. Accurate measurements are the cornerstone of successful cabinet making. Double-check your dimensions before making any cuts to avoid costly mistakes. Step 2. Pilot holes are your friends. Before driving any screws or nails, drill pilot holes to prevent the wood from splitting. Choose a drill bit slightly smaller than the diameter of your screw. Step 3. Glue it and secure it. Apply a thin, even layer of wood glue to the surfaces that will be joined. Then carefully align the pieces and secure them together using nails spaced evenly apart. Step 4. Square up your act. As you assemble the cabinet, use a carpenter's square to ensure all corners are at perfect 90-degree angles. This step is crucial for a sturdy and aesthetically pleasing cabinet. Step 5. The finishing touches. Once the cabinet is fully assembled, fill any nail holes with wood filler. After the filler dries, sand it smooth for a flawless finish. Pro tip: clamping the pieces together while the glue dries can help create an even stronger bond. Section 5. Level up your cabinets, optional enhancements. You've built your basic cabinets, fantastic. Now let's explore some optional enhancements that can take your project to the next level. Adding a back panel to your cabinet provides extra structural support and helps keep the cabinet square over time. Thin plywood is a great choice for this. Tired of cabinet doors slamming shut? Soft close hinges provide a gentle, quiet close, adding a touch of sophistication to your project. Installing interior lighting can make your cabinets more functional and visually appealing. LED strip lights are energy efficient and easy to install. Section 6. Cabinets everywhere, real-life applications. The drill and nail method isn't just for kitchen cabinets. Its versatility makes it suitable for a wide range of projects around your home. Transform your kitchen with custom cabinets that perfectly fit your space and style. Create a spa-like atmosphere with a beautiful and functional bathroom vanity. Build sturdy bookshelves to showcase your literary treasures or display decorative items. Design a custom media center to house your television, gaming consoles, and entertainment system. Section 7. Troubleshooting, conquering common cabinet conundrums. Even with the most straightforward methods, hiccups can happen. But fear not, here are solutions to some common issues. Remember those pilot holes? They're your best defense against splitting. If it happens, try using a slightly smaller drill bit. Ensure your cuts are accurate and your pieces are properly aligned during assembly. Clamping can help close any minor gaps. Set the nail heads slightly below the surface of the wood using a nail set, then conceal them with wood filler and sand smooth. Section 8. Conclusion. Embrace the drill and nail. Your cabinets will thank you. The drill and nail method empowers DIY enthusiasts of all levels to create stunning, functional cabinets. Its simplicity, affordability, and forgiving nature make it a winner for anyone looking to tackle their own cabinet projects. Remember, practice makes perfect. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. They're valuable learning experiences. So, gather your tools, channel your inner craftsperson, and embark on your cabinet-making adventure. You'll be amazed at what you can accomplish. Share your creations and inspire others to embrace the world of woodworking. Happy building!